Hey, hello. In our Tech Tip Tuesday today, I would like to talk about relays inside the main panel. For a few years now, we have been adding more functions in the system, and one of the things we've been using is what we call a wafer relay. A wafer relay is this. It's a 12 volts or 24 volts depending on what the system you have, and it basically is signal in, power and ground, and you will have a normally closed circuit and a normally open circuit. You have, in the newer pumps, you have up to 5 of those relays. It looks just like this, but if you ever fail, it has been working for 3, 4, 5 years, and you need to change one, you don't need tools. It's completely toolless to remove it. I'm going to remove this one. You look for this little tab. You push the tab, and when you push the tab, it will release. When you look at it, the 2 terminals are together on the top and 3 terminals are together in the bottom. When you put the new relay, you are going to put it in the same direction. If you put it in the other direction, it won't work and it will break. So you need to put it in the same direction. To put it back in place, you just line up in place, push it, and you will see how click in place. If you have a problem, yours failed, you don't have a spare in the pump, K99 is the wafer relay that helps, or which work is to shut down the truck. Most likely, I'm quite sure, you will be able to finish the day without the shutdown from the remote relay. So you can take K99, put it on the side, the one that failed, pull it out of there and put the one in K99, all of them are the same, in that place, so you can finish your job. To change a wafer relay, you don't need tools. Just be careful, don't let it jump out when you release that one. Thank you.